Hey guys, I'm Nico. We get a lot of clients that come into Moon Valley Nurseries who want to talk about some different options for their privacy solutions. Let's get into it. Our first option is our Indian Laurel. These absolutely thrive in the heat. It's super dark, dense canopy, grows in just about every single climate. Great for that privacy. These, you could top them off as high as you want them, right? So if you only want it roof line on a single story house, or it can max out up to a 2-story house. These do not require a lot of maintenance. You could trim these in spring or fall. You could also face them so it has a nice smooth surface, and they'll hold their shape majority throughout the year. Another great benefit of a hedge will help reduce that wind and also dust on your property. Let's go take a look at a couple more varieties. This is our green hopseed. What I love about the green hopseed is it's drought tolerant, so that results into low water usage for you. Lighter green color to it, looks great in any landscape. In comparison to the Indian Laurel, which are also 6 to 8 years old, if you're looking to cover more ground with the green hopseed at this age, they're gonna be a lot wider off the bat for you. Another great option for us is our Japanese blueberries. Just like all of our other hedges, this is gonna be evergreen and green all year round. Super unique foliage, looks great in any landscaping, and super hardy in cooler climates. And just taking a look down this row, you'll get a great idea of what it'll look like in your yard. Clients come to Moon Valley Nurseries because we have so many different options for you to get your project started. We are the experts. We do this 7 days a week. We live and breathe this. We're here for you.